Cosmic Beauty Secrets, Eclipse and Equinox Rituals for Slim, Glow and Health. Two extraordinary cosmic events are aligning back-to-back, a solar eclipse on September 21st, followed by the autumn equinox on September 22nd. Rarely do these two moments arrive so close together, and when they do, they create a powerful field of transformation. What makes this so special is not just the symbolism in the skies, but how deeply it can inspire the way we care for our health, our beauty, and our inner radiance. Because beauty is not only what we apply to our skin. It is how we align with balance, how we release old patterns, and how we glow from within when body and soul are in harmony. So in this video, we will explore how these cosmic events can serve as inspiration for slimness, glow, and vibrant health, and how you can use this rare window of transformation to reset your body, elevate your energy, and unlock your natural beauty. Part 1: The Solar Eclipse, a Cosmic Detox for Body and Skin. The solar eclipse is a moment when the moon temporarily covers the sun symbolically. It is like a pause in the rhythm of life, an invitation to step into darkness, reflect, and release. Think of your body during this phase as if it were ready for a deep cleansing. Just as the sun is momentarily hidden, your body asks you to withdraw from constant stimulation and allow space for renewal. From a slim and health perspective, the eclipse is a powerful reminder of the benefits of detox. When you let go of excess sugar, processed foods, and heavy meals, you give your body the chance to reset its metabolism. Fasting or light eating during this period can feel deeply aligned with the energy of release. For your skin, the eclipse energy pairs beautifully with purifying rituals. Imagine using a charcoal or clay mask that draws out impurities, mirroring the way the eclipse draws shadows across the sky. This is the perfect time for skin detox routines, for gentle exfoliation, and for letting your complexion breathe. The eclipse whispers, release what no longer serves you, whether it's a thought, a habit, or a toxin in your body. Part 2: The Equinox, Finding Balance and Unlocking Glow. Just one day later, the autumn equinox arrives, the rare point in the year when day and night are perfectly equal. The symbolism is profound: light and darkness, activity and rest, masculine and feminine energies in perfect balance. In terms of health and beauty, balance is the ultimate secret. Your skin glows most when your hormones are balanced, when stress is managed, when your circadian rhythm is aligned. The equinox reminds us that beauty does not come from extremes, but from harmony. Practical equinox rituals can include eating balanced meals with seasonal fruits and vegetables. Apples, pumpkins, squashes, and leafy greens carry the grounding energy of autumn and nourish your body with antioxidants. Prioritizing hydration: when light and dark are equal, water becomes the element of flow that keeps everything in balance. Aligning sleep with the natural cycle, going to bed a little earlier, honoring the longer nights of autumn. This is also the perfect time for grounding practices. A walk in nature, barefoot contact with the earth, or simply sitting quietly with the rhythm of your breath helps regulate your nervous system. And when your nervous system is calm, your skin radiates. Stress lines soften, the complexion brightens, and the body holds on to less inflammation. The equinox says, create harmony, and your natural beauty will shine. Part 3: Slim and Glow Rituals Inspired by the Cosmos. When these two events combine, the eclipse and the equinox, we receive a rare invitation: release what is heavy, and then restore balance. Together, this is the formula for slimness, glow, and vibrant health. Here are some cosmic-inspired rituals you can try during these days. Herbal cleansing teas. Sip on dandelion, nettle, or green tea. These herbs support detoxification, liver health, and a clear complexion. Deep breathing exercises. Oxygen is nature's beauty elixir. Slow, mindful breaths improve circulation, deliver nutrients to your skin, and relax facial muscles. Seasonal balanced meals. Think of roasted vegetables, warm soups, and nourishing whole grains. Balanced meals prevent cravings, support weight management, and keep your energy steady. Skin renewal masks. Try a DIY mask with clay, charcoal, or even a simple oat and honey mix. It absorbs impurities and softens the skin, echoing the eclipse energy of cleansing. Digital detox. The eclipse invites silence. Switch off screens for an evening. Notice how your mind clears, your sleep improves, and your inner glow returns. Grounding movement. Gentle yoga, stretching, or a walk outdoors at sunset. Movement that balances rather than exhausts will harmonize your body's energy. Part 4, Spirit meets Science. It is fascinating to see how the symbolic meaning of these cosmic events aligns with modern science. The solar eclipse represents release, and science shows us that detoxifying the body by reducing processed foods lowers inflammation, clears the skin, and supports healthy weight. The equinox represents balance, and modern research confirms that balanced hormones, steady sleep cycles, and stress reduction are the pillars of beauty and health. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is directly linked to skin breakouts, premature aging, and stubborn belly fat. Lower cortisol means more glow, more slimness, and more vitality. Even the ritual of grounding, simply standing barefoot on the earth, has been studied for its effects on reducing inflammation and improving sleep quality. Ancient symbolism and modern science shake hands here, reminding us that beauty is both energy and biology. Part 5, Imagine your body as the earth. Imagine your body as the earth itself. During the eclipse, shadows pass, but they are temporary. You shed what no longer belongs. During the equinox, day and night meet in harmony, and your body remembers what balance feels like. This perspective transforms beauty from a routine into a relationship with nature. You are not separate from the cosmos, you are a reflection of it. When the skies align, you are invited to align too. Conclusion: Unlocking cosmic glow. These days remind us that beauty is more than creams or diets. It is alignment. It is the courage to release old patterns, the wisdom to seek balance, and the joy of living in harmony with the cycles of nature. When you honor this alignment, slimness becomes effortless, glow becomes natural, and health becomes radiant. So as the solar eclipse and the equinox arrive, take this moment as an invitation. Cleanse. Balance. Glow. Let your inner beauty reflect the harmony of the universe. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you.